Get anything?
This one.
Oh, what is it?
A bubble.
Is it?
Yeah. It's blue and yellow and red.
It is.
I think you can put something in two colors, right?
Yeah, I think you can mix the colors.
And look, you can put blue and yellow, and there'll be green.
Really?
Yellow and red mixed with orange, and red and blue mixed with purple.
That's right, look. Grab a present, my man. Sit over there. Let me see. What does it say? What do you got to read the thing?
So I can for Mom and Dad.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, buddy. Oh, look.
Huh? Look, that's the cookies off and the milk.
Yeah. The carrot's gone too, right?
What?
The carrot's gone too.
Yeah, and the deer just eat the carrot.
The reindeer, right?
Wow!
What is it? Oh,
Ben 10 stuff.
cool. You wanted Ben 10 stuff, right?
Yeah. Cool. Cool. I just wanted this.
I know, it's out there. And I said, Logan really likes Ben 10, so I get some Ben 10.
I like Ben 10 stuff. This is from Santa.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Go sit over there by the TV, Logan. All right, that's good. Right by Mommy. Oh, that's good. What do you think it is? Wow!
Wow.
Let me see. What is it? Oh, that's your Nerf gun, right?
Yeah, it's cool.
You really wanted one of those, right?
Look.
Let me see. Oh, cool.
Oh.
You gotta save the big one for last. Did you find one for Mom and give one Mom one?
Oh my goodness.
Just open the top there. Some new pajamas.
Yay!
Some ratty old ones you wear the last 2 years.
Oh, thank you so much, honey.
They're alright, right?
Yeah.
Remember what the note said. What you got there now? Look, sit over there by Mom.
So looking from Mom and Dad. Let's see what it is. Oh, I know what it is.
What is it?
It's this one.
Oh, cool. What is it? I know what it is because I gave it to you.
Yeah, I don't want it this one.
Pop-O-Matic Trouble Game. Sweet.
Yeah, I like this one. I just wanted to get this.
Yeah, maybe you can bring it to when we go on the airplane. We can play it on the airplane.
Yeah.
What do you say to Mom?
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, Logan.
And here you go.
One for me? Here. I need scissors, please. It says, to Dad from Logan. But Nana Pop helped write this one too, right?
Yeah. So, what is it? Open it.
I'm going to open it. There you go.
What is it?
What?
Open it.
Yeah, you gotta wait a minute.
Oh, look at that. You got
What is it? Do you know?
a scissor bag?
It is a fishing bag, Logan. You gotta catch the camera, Logan.
Wow, you're...
It's beautiful.
I know, it's really
Look,
cool.
watch the camera. You gotta be careful with the camera. Got stuff in there. All your gear in there.
Oh, cool. Nice.
I'm a bass fisherman now, and I need to carry a lot of stuff with me. I know most people laugh at that when I say that. You can say, thank you, Nana Pop. And it goes around like this. I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing.
Oh, cool. It's nice.
I say, I need to change my lures.
Oh, I got to change my lure.
Do like that. See?
Huh?
It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Camera, please. Okay, let's pause it for a second.